هيا نتعلم المحادثة العربية والمفردات. Let's learn Arabic conversation and vocabulary. عربی گفتگو اور الفاظ معنی سیکھیں. السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ. In today's class, we will learn 6 important Arabic words related to the school al-madrasa. Along with, we will learn the use of this hada and that, dhalika in Arabic and their feminine words. But before doing it, just have a quick revision of the words you have learned in the previous class. Read the words loudly. First one is ana. Ana. Ana means I, me. It is used for both masculine and feminine. Second one is anta. Anta means you, up, for masculine. Ante, you, for used for feminine, muannas के लिए, आप, तू, तुम. Hoa. Hoa means he, वो. Hiya means she. Rajul means man. Imra'a means woman. Tajir means businessman. Sa'ih, tourist. Hindi, Indian. These were the previous lessons words, and new words are hada, this. It is used for masculine. It is a demonstrative pronoun and adjective which is used for masculine. Hazihi means this also, but used for feminine. Dhalika means that, used for masculine. Tilka means also that, used for feminine. Qalam. Qalam. Qalam means pen. Daftar, notebook, copy. Funduk, hotel. Mat'am, खाने की जगह, रेस्टोरेंट. इसी तरीके से हकीबा. हकीबा means bag. Kursi means chair. After these new words, there is a exercise in which we have to match the words with the correct pictures. First one is daftar. Daftar means notebook. Funduk means hotel. Mat'am means restaurant. Haqiba means bag. Kursi means chair. Qalam means pen. Now, there is a second exercise, and in this exercise, we have to form simple but very important sentences of daily use. So far, you have learned only 40 words of Arabic. See how many sentences you can form out of them. The more we practice, the more we will get the benefit. Read the following sentences loudly and carefully. We have to practice in this exercise. This is. Haza. Haza bait. This is a house. Haza maktab. This is an office. Haza mustashfa. This is a hospital. Haza matar. This is an airport. Haza qalam. This is a pen. Haza daftar. This is a notebook. Haza funduk. This is a hotel. Haza mat'am. This is a restaurant. Haza kursi. This is a chair. Haza mudir. This is a manager. Haza saiq. This is a driver. Haza muhandis. This is an engineer. Haza tabib. This is a doctor. Haza sa'ih. This is a tourist. Haza muwazzaf. This is a staff. Haza muhasib. This is an accountant. Haza shurti. This is a policeman. Haza amil. This is a worker. Haza haris. This is a watchman. Haza rajul. This is a man. Now there is third exercise, and in this exercise we have to make simple sentences in which we use that is, which is in Arabic dhalika. Dhalika is used for masculine. Dhalika bait, that is a house. Dhalika maktab, that is an office. Dhalika mustashfa, that is a hospital. Dhalika matar, that is an airport. Dhalika qalam, that is a pen. Dhalika daftar, that is a notebook. Dhalika funduk, that is a hotel. Dhalika mat'am, that is a restaurant. Dhalika kursi, that is a chair. Dhalika mudir, that is a manager. मुदीर कहते हैं प्रिंसिपल को भी, मैनेजर को भी. ज़ालिका साइक, दैट इज़ ए ड्राइवर. ज़ालिका मुहंदिस, दैट इज़ एन इंजीनियर. इस तरीके से हम मुख्तलिफ जुमले बना सकते हैं. आपसे गुजारिश है, इल्तिजा है कि आप इन जुमलों को साथ साथ ज़ोर से दोहराए, तो इससे आपकी ज़ुबान पर ये जुमले चढ़ जाएंगे, जिससे आपका बोलना फिर आसान हो जाएगा. ज़ालिका तबीब, दैट इज़ ए डॉक्टर. ज़ालिका साए, दैट इज़ ए टूरिस्ट. ज़ालिका मुवज़्ज़फ़, दैट इज़ ए स्टाफ. ज़ालिका मुहासिब, दैट इज़ एन अकाउंटेंट. Dhalika shurti, that is a policeman. Dhalika amil, that is a worker. Dhalika haris, that is a watchman. Dhalika rajul, that is a man. In this exercise, we have learned 20 sentences based on the structure of that is a. Dhalika. After this exercise, we have another exercise, exercise 4. In this exercise, we have to make simple sentences in which we use this is, but for feminine only. For feminine, we use in Arabic hazihi. Haza is used for masculine and hazihi used for feminine. Hazihi muzakkar मुअन्नस के लिए और हाजा मुज़क्कर के लिए. हाजिही मुअन्नस के लिए और हाजा मुज़क्कर के लिए. First one is هذه شركة. This is a company. هذه شركة. هذه مدرسة. This is a school. هذه ممرضة. This is a female nurse. هذه سيارة. This is a car. هذه طائرة. This is an aeroplane. هذه امرأة. This is a woman. هذه حقيبة. This is a bag. هذه مهندسة. This is female engineer. مهندسة female engineer. هذه طبيبة. This is a lady doctor. هذه سائحة. This is a female tourist. هذه هندية. This is an Indian lady. In this exercise, we have learned 11 sentences based on the structure of this is هذه. After this exercise, we have another exercise, exercise 5th, in which we have to use that is for feminine. In Arabic, we use tilka for feminine. That is a tilka sharika. That is a company. Tilka madrasa. That is a school. Tilka mumarriza. That is a female nurse. Tilka sayyara. That is a car. Tilka ta'ira. That is an aeroplane. Tilka imra'a. That's a woman. Tilka haqiba. That's a bag. Tilka muhandisa. That is a lady engineer, female engineer. Tilka tabiba. That is a lady doctor. Tilka saiha. That is a female tourist. Tilka hindiya. That is an Indian lady. In this exercise also, we have learned 11 sentences based on the structure of that is a tilka. There is one more exercise. In this exercise, we have to translate English sentences into Arabic, and we have to say these translations, Arabic translations, loudly. This is a house. هذا بيت. And that is an office. وذلك مكتب. That is an office. ذلك مكتب. And this is a house. وهذا بيت. This is an airport. هذا مطار. And that is a hospital. وذلك مستشفى. That is a hospital. And this is an airport. That is a hospital. ذلك مستشفى. وهذا مطار. This is a manager. هذا مدير. And that is a staff. وذلك موظف. That is a staff. ذلك موظف. and means this is a manager. وهذا مدير. This is a worker. هذا عامل. And that is a driver. وذلك سائق. That is a driver. هذا that is a driver. That ذلك سائق. وهذا عامل. And this is a worker. That is an engineer. This is an engineer. هذا مهندس. And that is a doctor. وذلك طبيب. That is a doctor. ذلك طبيب. وهذا مهندس. And this is an engineer. This is an accountant. هذا محاسب. And that is a policeman. وذلك شرطي. That is a policeman. ذلك شرطي. وهذا محاسب. And this is an accountant. This is a car. Car is feminine, so we have to use هذه instead of هذا. هذه سيارة. And that is an aeroplane. وتلك is also used for ذلك is used for مطار. وذلك مطار. Here is not airport. Here is aeroplane. So we have to use تلك for aeroplane. Aeroplane means طائرة. Because both car and aeroplane are feminine. So we have to use feminine pronouns also. This is a car. هذه سيارة. And that is an aeroplane. وتلك طائرة. That is an aeroplane. وتلك تلك طائرة. وهذا سيارة. This is a man. هذا رجل. And that is a woman. وتلك امرأة. That is a woman. تلك امرأة. And this is a man. وهذا رجل. This is a man. This is a businessman. هذا تاجر. وذلك سائح. That is a tourist. And this is a businessman. ذلك سائح. And this is a businessman. وهذا تاجر. This is a pen. هذا قلم. And that is a notebook. وذلك دفتر. This is a hotel. هذا مطعم. هذا مطعم. وذلك. This is a hotel. هذا فندق. وذلك مطعم. وذلك مطعم. That is a restaurant. ذلك مطعم. And this is a hotel. وهذا فندق. This is a company. هذه شركة. And that is a school. وتلك مدرسة. That is a school. تلك مدرسة. And this is a company. وهذا شركة. This is a doctor. هذا طبيب. And that is a nurse. This is a doctor. وهذا طبيب. وذلك ممرض. That is a nurse. ذلك ممرض. وهذا طبيب. And this is a doctor. This is a car. This is a car. And this is an aeroplane. This is a car. هذه سيارة. وتلك طائرة. That is an aeroplane. And this is a car. This is a car. تلك طائرة. تلك طائرة. وهذا سيارة. This is a chair. And that is a bag. This is a chair. هذا كرسي. وتلك حقيبة. That is a bag. And this is a chair. That is a bag. تلك حقيبة. وهذا كرسي. We have to memorize the gender of the words, and accordingly we have to use demonstrative pronouns and adjectives for the gender. These were the exercises we have done in this chapter. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.